Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Klipsch Stadium Smart Speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these speakers are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to Wi-Fi, or they're not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or they keep disconnecting, they're not responding. Any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to set these speakers up like they're brand new. So whether you're moving or just have a new Wi-Fi network or whatever, we can go ahead and do this. It's really easy to do. You will need to set everything up again once you do this because it will be restored to its factory default settings. So all we need to do is come in and find on the back of it with power to it, we're going to find the Wi-Fi button here, and just to the right of it, the Bluetooth pairing button. So all you need to do to reset this device is press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for greater than 5 seconds. After those greater than 5 seconds have gone by, the speakers will reset, and then you can go ahead and set them up like a brand new device.